Vijay Sardesai.
Speaker sir, I may be permitted to ask star LAQ number 5B.
Answer as printed.
Speaker sir, the issue here is the Western Ghats, which is the hottest biodiversity hotspot. The concern is whether the government has any interest in the Western Ghats. In the answer, it has been given that the recommendations of the high-level working group on Western Ghats goes against the interest of the state on all points. This is the answer that has been given to me. Speaker sir, specifically I had asked a question about Gadgil report. There is no mention made to the Gadgil report. The Gadgil report suggests a democratic process. I spoke to Madhav Gadgil just before raising this issue so that the Chief Minister does not find objection in my consultants or cast aspersions on my consultants, if any. So I spoke to him personally. Here, the Gadgil report has made specific observations with regard to the protecting the biodiversity of the Western Ghats. My first question to you is whether the government considers this democratic process suggested, or will the government go by the dictatorial method which Chief Minister endorsed yesterday?
Sir, I strongly object to his question. First of all, we have never said that you have to be dictatorial. What we are opposing is a dictatorial methodology used by the central government in declaring Western Ghats. We are in fact saying that Rangarajan report has to be placed, we are already in the process of doing that, with every stakeholder in the villages. तू हांगा फातोड्ड्या बसून थंय 70च्या लोकांचे उलोव नाका.
Question.
No. No, first I take strong objection. I take strong objection to his words.
Let him
I take strong objection to his words.
first.
I want, Speaker sir, the words to be removed. I want the words to be removed. He has used a very derogatory word.
Derogatory?
This is democracy.
What is derogatory?
He thinks
you are
whatever he thinks does not
saying you have
mean
endorsed
that.
dictatorship
Speaker
yesterday.
sir, the words have to be, you can give ruling, the words have to be removed. He is assuming, he is making allegation based on assumption.
Because sir, I want a clear answer from the minister about the Gadgil report and the specific supplementary.
His words are that his government going to go by dictatorial dictates of Chief
you have not
Minister.
heard the question.
I have
Question
strong
was not to
objection
you.
there to them. I want your ruling on that. He cannot use this kind of words.
What is the word?
What is the word? You go and read your own word.
Speaker sir, I know what I am
by
speaking.
the dictatorial attitude of Chief Minister.
No, you have made a reference to it yesterday. Let us not pass time here. Let us go to the main topic.
No.
Speaker, sir, the state government is definitely concerned and committed to protecting the Western Ghats. And it is precisely for this reason that the state government had forwarded a proposal for declaring the Western Ghats of Goa as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Further, Goa is the only state which has declared sanctuaries and national park all along its length from north to south, covering major parts of the Western Ghats.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to know what is the population staying in the Western Ghats?
Speaker, sir, I don't have this information right now, but I'll get back to the Honorable Leader.
What will happen to those people? The other day, Mr. Speaker, sir, I was stating here that a lot of wildlife is coming out. One lady was attacked by a wild boar just in the village of Karapur. Now, yeah, wild boar, now, are you going to compensate these people or not?
Okay. Because sir, I am asking my second supplementary. Second supplementary is what...
सर हांवें एक विनंती केल्ली की तो शब्द जो वापरला हाणें की चीफ मिनिस्टर डिक्टेटोरियल एटिट्यूड that word cannot be here. This is a democracy. This is a house where temple of democracy can't make allegations without proper thinking about it.
Dictatorial शब्द असा तो काढून उडोवचो.
Speaker sir, my second supplementary is what is the work done by the Goa Biodiversity Board? Who are its members? is decentralization of biodiversity also being sought? Are you looking at it?
The state has constituted the Goa Biodiversity Board, which is very vibrant and active, and ensuring the protection of the biodiversity of the state.
Who are the members? What does it do? Speaker sir, this Kasturi Ranjan report, Madhav Gadgil report, basically to protect the biodiversity of the Western Ghats.
Yes.
You have constituted a board. Who is it and what work do they do? This is my second supplementary. I have the
Yes.
third.
Speaker sir, the Goa government established the Biodiversity Board in 2002. Its mandate is to conserve the biodiversity in the state and to ensure sustainable use of its components and fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising out of the biological resources. Presently, the chairperson is the Minister for Forest and Environment, and then it has a committee of, I think, 12 different people.
We all met.
Yes, I think the board has, the Biodiversity Board has met around 8 to 10 times.
Because sir,
Third supplementary.
my third supplementary. I have asked a question in my main question, which was about MOPA. MOPA comes in Perne Taluka, which is part of the Western Ghats. Now, I want to know that you have acquired around 80 lakh square meters of land there to construct an airport, which is for which you are coming out with the tenders very soon. Now, what precautions and safeguards are you taking as an environment minister to protect the environment and biodiversity of this area, which comes within the Western Ghats as part of your biodiversity board?
Speaker sir, the Professor Madhav Gadgil report as well as the Dr. Kasturi Rangan report do not mention MOPA airport at all, nor do they speak about the land required for the airport. However, if the Honorable MLA wants an answer to the question, he may ask a specific question.
I will
Nilesh
ask it.
Kabra.
I will ask it at demand. You please
Vijay
answer
Bab.
at that time.